Hey, what's up YouTube? In this video we are building this Lego set. We bought it last week on Tuesday and it's been there since then. We've cleared up space to build it and let's do this. Okay, we got the box ready. Let me see now on that pillow there, you can't see it, but it's a pillow. Where do I have a Minecraft pillow? Yeah, I found a Minecraft one. So I'm gonna sit down here. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. Okay. So we're gonna sit on the pillow here, have it all set up and organized. I'm very organized, so we're gonna build this set here. Set number 60448. Still has the Kmart sticker on it. Well, yeah, obviously I bought it for $10 at Kmart, very cheap. At Target, it's like $15 or $14. It's very expensive. Although it's still very nice set. It's one of the new 2025 vehicle sets. And I plan to have it there on the other side of the Lego table where I have all my figurines set up. So we're going to open a box like this. Oh, look how they packed it. That's very nice. Here's everything that came inside the box. Book. This looks like a new piece. I think it is a new piece. Are these bags numbered? Go ahead and just scan that barcode right there. Alright. These bags aren't numbered, so I'm going to have to put them out on the table. It does tell you where to put them, so is this the right bag? I don't know. Okay. Very, very nice. Okay. I think that is everything that came inside the box. That is all the bags open. Let's put them there. Are we recording? Yeah, we are recording, so I'm gonna sit here so I'm not in the way. And now let's get this party started, huh? Oops. Okay, so very small instruction booklet, but we can do it because I am a Lego YouTuber. Now, where's that mobile phone piece? Okay. Here is the driver. Looks like a new printed phone piece, maybe. Let's put the driver in the background with the other characters. Now let's get this thing built. Starting with the brand new base piece. Looks like they got new instructions as well. Wow, I'm happy I actually bought this set now. Thanks. Okay, step one is these little pieces. I thought this will be a quick video. Okay. For this set, I'll leave the link. I will leave the Kmart link in the description. And okay, we're done with the car. It's like the car from Christine, but I mean that car was an old car, not a sports car. It's meant to be like that. Here are all the spare pieces. I should have a special bag for them in here. Same for these ones. Not that. Here we go. Got a bag labeled spare pieces. These ones are from the Dripton cupboard. No, I'll keep them separate. I prefer to keep all my spare pieces together. So we put them all in here, like that. And now we'll do a quick review, okay? Usually I don't do reviews after I do speed builds. I think most YouTubers do speed building with the time lapse. I don't do that. So here is everything. Here is the driver and the mobile phone piece, which is very cool. There's all the essential apps on it. So here in the boot, there's I think this is a squeegee, like a microfiber cloth you use to this must be like car wax, and this is like a polisher. You use to clean the car, wax the car. Oh, right, it's rolling because this Lego table is not in properly. So we're going to move the box away in the cupboard, and I'm going to put the car on display. I'm going to put it on over there where I have the other ones, and I know it's a nice car. Here's the back. Very nice car. We're going to put it right there. Oop, goes away. All this bags in the bin. And then that's it, my friends. That's it for this Lego video. I really hope you enjoyed it. So please help me smash that like button. And I'm gonna play some Minecraft now. So goodbye, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Till then, goodbye.